Hey Sid, we've got some exciting enhancements to Turbot Pipes, which were driven really by our experiences with actual enterprise customers and their feedback and their needs. I'm really excited for you to give us a tour of these new enhancements to really help make sure that our enterprise customers can use pipes in the best way possible.
Hey, Matty, thank you. Yeah, we have added a few features over the past few months. Happy to take you through them. So let's start with the new instance types that we added. So now if you click on a new workspace button near org or for user, uh, there's a new instance type called db1.medium. So previously we had shared and small. Uh, So the medium instance type comes with 4 CPU, 16 GB RAM, and you would also notice that it comes with the configurable storage size. So we didn't really have an option previously to set a storage size when you were creating an instance um, of a new workspace, but now you have an option to do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just create one. And then set it to 10 GB starters. And if you click on create workspace, okay, so I'm going to go through the create connection.
So I think having this larger instance size really helpful. Folks find themselves hitting memory limits regularly or high utilization if they're doing peak usage, and really is giving a lot of capability for higher query performance and stability for people who are running these larger loads, right?
That's correct. Yes. So we notice that uses the small instance type, the queries were timing out, particularly because they were querying larger data sets. And now as customers, import more accounts, they also import more data into the data tanks. So you would need a larger instance type, which would support those queries. Otherwise, they would just time out. Yes. Okay, so that's up now. If I just dive into the advanced section of the workspace, you can see the advanced section of the workspace now also have an instance type configuration option. So previously you wouldn't have an option to switch your instance type. You can just start with one and you would have to use it of that same configuration throughout its lifetime. Now you have an option to switch instance types not between persistent and non-persistent types, but between small and medium, which are both persistent, right? So you could, in theory, if you don't need that much, CPU or RAM, you could switch to a smaller instance type if that suits your need.
Or vice
Um,
versa. Maybe you've got
or
a
vice
maybe
versa.
you've got a small instance today,
That's
and
correct.
now we have the medium instance types. So you can just go right in and upgrade it
That's correct.
and expand it to the larger one. And we can even change the storage size on the instance as well.
That's correct. Yeah.
Obviously,
So
we can't make it smaller, but you
right.
can make it. Yeah.
Yeah. So currently, it only supports increasing your storage size. So say you're on DB1 at medium, but when you're running data tanks, you're seeing that it's almost used up all of its space. So you can just change it here, click on update. There's just a confirmation that we take from you and a note as well with the point you mentioned that storage size cannot be downsized later. And when you confirm, this happens almost instantaneously. So you could just use your workspace as it is. It doesn't involve the
Fantastic.
downtime. Yes.
Sid, thanks so much for walking us through this and doing all this great work. This is really exciting stuff.
Thank you so much. Really excited to have this in the customer's hands as well. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If your organization could benefit from Turbot Pipes, get started today with a free developer account at turbot.com/pipes.